Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is my recent drawings of Emma Watson. So I'm drawing the eye. So I was just about to share the techniques what I use and what I don't do. So first of all, I always do outline of the eye along with the eyebrows. The green one is my 2B pencil, and now I'm going in with the eyebrows. The blue one is HB pencil, HB lead pencil. So first layer applied with the HB pencil, then I'll smudge it with the brush. Then second layer of 2B pencil just to create the depth in the eyebrows, just like this, and again blend it with the brush. And this pencil is quite special. I don't use this pencil. It is a color pencil, black color pencil of domes, जिससे थोड़ा डार्क दिखेगा, which we hardly get it from graphite. Then I'm going in with the details in the iris. First I used 2B pencil. This pencil is 8B pencil. Make sure you sharpen your 8B pencil. अभी स्मच किया ब्लेंडिंग स्टम्प से, फर्स्ट नंबर का ब्लेंडिंग स्टम्प है विच इज़ स्मॉलर इन साइज. सो विदाउट डूइंग एनीथिंग मैंने ब्लेंडिंग स्टम्प से ही उसकी लोअर आईलिड्स बना दी. एंड दिस पेंसिल इज़ माय कलर पेंसिल, roughly smudging all the lines. Color pencil won't smudge, huh? This is my kneaded eraser for creating highlights. The concept of kneaded eraser I'll explain you in upcoming videos. I'll give each and every description with the materials or whatever I use. This is the HB pencil. Now creating the eyelashes with 2B pencil. Always use the sharp pencil, just like this lead pencils. Lead pencils उसके अंदर lead होती है इसलिए वो sharp होता है. So it is easy to create eyelashes. And अभी थोड़ा darkness के लिए I'll again go with my color pencil. I hope in this video you have cleared all the doubts which you commit in the beginning. So I'm done with the eye. Now most important part is to create some highlights. So I'll be using jelly roll pen, or you can also use uniball white gel pen. For creating bright highlights, it becomes difficult to create highlights with the eraser, even though it is a mono eraser or pencil eraser, but using gel pen gives you finished details. If you found this video helpful, please do like the video and subscribe to our channel. Bye.